A local dive shop has played a major role in helping doctors here in Omaha and across the country stay safe during the pandemic. Reporter Sydney Gray shows us how an Omaha-based business helped a national nonprofit using snorkeling masks as personal protective equipment.
This is something that someone would wear to scuba dive or snorkel or just do water activities.
Dr. Ann Edmonds with Omaha Ear, Nose, and Throat Clinic calls these masks the gold standard for safety on the job.
It gives you peace of mind where if I absolutely have to have something on, I have a patient that has COVID or I'm highly suspicious and I'm going to do a procedure where I'm going to be directly in their face with nasal secretions or airway secretions, which seems to be the primary way that it's passed on. I know I have this, and I know that I can use it over and over and over.
She has 5 of them thanks to the nonprofit Mask On, which started manufacturing snorkeling masks after connecting with Omaha-based dive shop Dive Ventures and a local doctor.
In 100 days, they've made 21,000 masks that are currently being used in all 50 states, and they figure they have these masks have been used in over 1 million medical provider days.
Dean Hollis, owner of Dive Ventures, says he and a friend in the medical field wanted to help during the national PPE shortage. Dr. Edmonds says the masks are added safety for frontline workers who have direct contact with patients' faces.
We'll use a mask in the operating room for up to about 8 hours, and then we have to clean it or get UV light on or something to sterilize it. This, you're not going to have that problem because of the difference in material. And you can clean it and sterilize it yourself.
She also says it's important to continue social distancing and wearing masks in public.
Well, part of the problem is a lot of people that have COVID are either pre-symptomatic, where we don't know they have it because they're not having symptoms, or they stay asymptomatic and have no symptoms the entire time. So how do you protect yourself from people like that when you don't even know they have it and there's no suspicion? So a mask has been shown to be helpful in those cases and to decrease the number of new cases daily.
In Omaha, Sydney Gray, 3 News Now.
The masks have been donated to area doctors and dentists here in Omaha. The nonprofit Mask On is taking donations to continue providing those masks for free to healthcare workers all over the country.